Small business owner? Need a simple way to plan your marketing budget? I've got you covered. Templates keep your budget organized, help you track spend, and plan for growth. Includes sections for paid ads, content creation, tools, events, and unexpected expenses. Break your budget down monthly or quarterly to stay flexible and on track. Record actual spend next to budgeted amounts to spot overspending early. I've created an easy-to-use marketing budget template just for small businesses like yours. Want it? Comment below and I'll send it your way. Plan smarter, spend wiser, and watch your marketing dollars work harder. Need help customizing the template? Just ask.